Okay, so here we got another teardown for you. This one here is going to be of the Galaxy Nexus. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much just jump right into it. I don't know, might as well do a disclaimer here. Should go without saying, but if you, use these instructions, tutorial, whatever, and you end up breaking your phone, I take no responsibility for that. Use at your own risk, all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, so now that we got that out of the way, we'll go ahead and start. As with most phones, open up the back, pull your battery, SIM card if need be, and then we're just going to remove all of the outer screws. But alright, all you're going to need for this one here is a pry tool and or case opener tool and the Phillips screwdriver. So, yeah, remove all these guys here, bam, bam, bam. Okay, bastard. Yeah, we got long screws. Okay, so once you got all those exteriors there unscrewed, then you're going to take your pry tool, case opener tool, piece of plastic, and just gently work it into the edges there, right around the outside, and just work your way right around. Yeah, you might want a bit of a less pliable pry tool for this portion. As you can see, my it's getting all bent, quite out of shape here. And it's pretty tough going around the edge. It's pretty easy going coming around the edges, but once to actually get a good pry on, you're gonna want something a little with a little less give to it. Yeah, there we go. Getting pry on. Right, there we go. Now we're making some progress. Right. A lot of dirt should help in this one. You can see it all coming up here. And work my way down the last edge. Bing. Yeah. There we are. Okay, so the housing off. Now you got just one more screw to go. And that's this guy right here. So it'll go like this. Okay. Now, this section down here, we're gonna want to just, you can see the clip there, and it just kind of just pries up. So. Oh, and you don't want to forget about this guy here. Whoop. And pull that up. And then we're good to go to just pry this guy up. And there we are. Put that off to the edge. Okay, so as for some more ribbons, this guy here. Don't want to forget him. And this guy here. Bang. I'm pretty sure that's all. Well, we'll find out in a minute, won't we? Yeah. Okay, so next, we have a couple of things we got to are a couple of pieces we got to very gently remove or gently pry up. And first one being this guy here, and now it's held on with adhesive. Uh, adhesive. It's just glue. So if you want to be careful when for the next couple of next portion. Yeah, you definitely want to be careful with this guy. Ooh. Yeah, definitely want to be careful there. And then we've got one more on the opposite side here. Exact same thing. Just held on with the adhesive. Very careful. And yeah, definitely take your time. Don't want to be rushing it. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Got that guy. Ooh. This guy's stuck again. Okay. And then the last, thirdly here, the vibrate module, and it's also held down with glue. So be careful when moving that. So yeah, watch the edges there. You don't want to be re-adhesing those pieces over and over again like I am. Okay, we're gonna go with the heavier primer to here. Okay. Now the main board should oh, well, it is a couple of clips in there. Should just pop right out though. Where are we going from here? Sorry if yeah, I'm probably getting in the way there. You can't see anything that's going on in this video. So lift that all up gently, and then two coaxial cables that need to be are unclipped. Wing. pretty much anything you want to replace is now accessible. Camera, front-facing rear, and the rear vibrate module, things like that. Now, if you crack the screen, that really sucks because the screen and the digitizer are fused together. So if you're going to replace one, you got to do both, and that is a bit more of a teardown than I'm going to be doing today, that is for sure. But there you have it, Galaxy Nexus teardown. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. Just want to watch the pieces of the adhesive on it, and then we get them back into place without getting glue all over everything. And don't forget about that last coaxial cables there, so that don't put them or try and put it back together with them underneath. So push this the vibrate module down a little bit there, so it's the adhesive grabs. Don't want to forget that guy. This guy up here. Clip. Secure that camera up there. Okay. And coaxial. Get this guy back too. Okay. Make sure that buttons here are in place, and just maybe hold down for 10-15 seconds, so that way the glue will readhere. Alright, so moving right along, replace bottom module. And make sure that ribbon is back in place. Replace the screw. Everything is right where it needs to be. And go ahead and grab the housing. And I usually like to start at the top. That just goes with really any phone. And just be very gentle, careful, just to make sure everything is in place, lined up properly, and then just push her back together. But what you don't want to do is be an idiot and forget about the volume buttons. I was watching anyway. All right, so finish this video up here. Replace the outer screws, and then you're done. So that's yeah, this is pretty much gonna wrap her up here, and we'll turn this bad boy back on and see if it still works or not. So, as always, thank you for watching. Uh, and whether you like this video or not, check out my Facebook page, facebook.com/cellphoneintelligence, and go ahead and hit that like button. As I said, whether you like the video or not, just like it on the Facebook. It helps and spreads the word, all that good stuff. You can check out some of my other videos on the YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/cellphoneintel. And almost finished here. Excuse me. Yeah, so yeah, the Nexus is an amazingly simple phone. Only, was it 2, 4, 6, 7 screws hold the whole thing together. Pretty amazing.